The room was crowded, people talking, laughing, phones in every hand. Then suddenly, beep! Every phone went silent at the same time. An emergency alert appeared on every screen. Big red letters. Do not look at the moon. Everyone froze. Someone laughed nervously. Is this a prank? But no one looked up. Everyone looked down at their phones. Then my phone vibrated again. Not an alert, a missed call from an unknown number. I didn't answer it. A voicemail appeared automatically. I pressed play.
It's so beautiful. Just look up. People around me started receiving calls too. One man answered his. His smile slowly stretched too wide. He stood up and looked at the moon. His phone dropped. His body followed. Someone screamed. Another person looked up, then another. The emergency alert changed. It's too late. I covered my eyes. My phone vibrated one last time. A new voicemail. Only 3 words. Look at me. I still haven't looked up, but I can feel the moonlight watching me.